Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet with zero fees. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your Bybit application. Once you are on the home page, you need to tap on this assets button at the bottom right corner. Now in the funding section, click here and then an option that says withdraw, simply tap on the withdraw button and check this, and after that you need to search USDT and click on USDT, and here you can see address that require address, network and the amount of USDT we are withdrawing from our Bybit account. Simply minimize Bybit account and open your Trust Wallet. Once you're on the home screen, you need to tap on this is receive button, and on the receive section, in the search bar, search for any coin, just like I'm searching for USDT, and here you can see your USDT with different networks. Trust Wallet is showing USDT with different networks. So simply select the one network that required zero fees. So that network is USDT Aptos. So simply click on the USDT Aptos here, and then you need to copy this, and then you need to minimize and open your Bybit application again. Then you have to input that particular address, and you need to select the same network that you are select on the Trust Wallet. So in the network section, simply at the bottom select Aptos, and after that you need to input amount that you are withdrawing from your Bybit account and transferring into Trust Wallet. Simply enter any amount that you are withdrawing, and then you need to click on this withdraw button at the bottom right corner, and after that it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to withdraw from your Bybit to Trust Wallet, and after that your assets will be transferred into your Trust Wallet account. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet with zero fees. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.